disappointed sound boy, turning into dead soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, people, look what time it is. It is 6:30 in the morning.
Oh.
Yellow already up. True vibe up. Stock up. Serious, them man are serious. Yellow.
Yes.
What you have? All 21s?
All 21.
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll treat back who drink out on that one.
Lexus. Whenever
I love social tonight. I really scared this man that I love him.
yeah,
Not used to environment when we're working.
yeah. Back then, you didn't care about you something Lexus.
It's a passion for you,
That man I tell you, say, and so saved my life. Nobody never go fast again. Yeah. Nobody never had no fast again. We are going fast again.
And he was a madman on the road.
A madman on the road. He saved my life. They got the fast again.
You have a passion for you, man. I love that, man. But every day I fight people, people. I move better than them in a life, you have fight. 2 box, them look nice and clean. Crispy.
Well, here how it sound though.
Got a sound as good as it looks.
Right. It look good. What
Yeah.
it sound?
Yellow. Make sure it sound as good as how it look, you know.
Hey, remember you get it, you know.
May I get it?
No, remember you get the sound.
I get it.
I get the sound.
Yeah, you get my sound. Now worry yourself.
How are yourself, man? You're good. I hope you can play long and strong. You know, like sex, long and strong.
You know what? My machine is there. I'm ready.
That's about long and strong.
I mean, know then 21 have it. Then 21 have a tune right to play by themselves.
RCF them here.
I'm saying, 21 have a
Them
tune
like
properly.
Them play like 18.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Them RCF play like 18. So you know, no special tuning for them at 21.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I mean, 21 them usually not play proper.
That's the Beyonce them.
Yeah.
Them are RCF. RCF play like a year. Them call them Big 18.
Yeah?
Yes.
Well, I'll hear them.
You gonna hear the Big 18. I play with the 18 and I play bigger and wider than you 18.
Yeah.
Alright, babies?
Snap if come down in there, right? That's what I want, you know. Right, blood clot, that's beside yellow.
Okay, I want you beside me, you know.
Right, that's what I want there.
I want you beside me.
Right, yes, sir. Yeah.
I want you beside me. When you turn on and you turn on, you hear the difference. When the sun, look when the sunrise.
You're going to hear the difference for damn sure.
You're going to hear the difference.
You're going to hear the difference, two different sound. And then you're going to hear about 18 them attack. You can't bark all you want, me attack. See, snap it there. I snap it down. I not snap it there. I chuck that trailer that. Exactly. Politics that yellow. Can't bother with the politics. So the truck just reached. So what that? What me I do? I put one stack over on that side there, we're shocking there. And one stack over here, so. You see it? One here, so. And one over there, so. Yeah, put it up here, so.
So, you want to put the things here, put the mid base, them flat across the top.
But is it long enough to fix it?
We're gonna
see.
We're gonna see, and then we just crack up
the top then. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever, just take one part, bro.
Give me one part.
One side.
Nah, I'm not doing on one stock, man.
No, but the thing, what I say, I be join them together. Cause if Shocking to take that too far over, you can go in the next.
No, but what you mean, the Shocking? Shocking hook up yet, you know?
Yeah, but you might take this spot, you know, see how they say I drop him back step.
Yeah, but drop it closer down to where him truck there. You put it right beside yellow.
Actually.
Shocking, I'm going to see him, so I take me the last time. Shocking. Yeah, you're down further down to where you did the last year, or?
Yeah, right here.
So I was gonna put some boxes right here. So you can get from same place where you were last year. Yeah, I wanted to put some right here, but that's cool.
Are you alone? Are you alone?
Alright, Snappy. Snappy, you warm. We'll put one stack here, sir. And one stack over there, sir. You see it? You hear me, Snappy? Wait a minute.
Inside of the truck.
We're gonna put one stack here and one stack over there.
Yeah,
That's cool.
Watch this. Thanks.
Baron. You ready?
ready? You mean? No. Did you?
Look at the bottom. We're gonna try to roll that shit all the way over there.
Where can you do this?
All the way over there. Camera up, you know. Okay, so we're trying something new as it relates to how we are setting up, because this place is not level at all. So we're kind of trying to work some magic. Snappy, you see if we push this middle one over, this one here, push it more over to the and join it with the other box. Join this one.
This with this?
Yeah.
And then we sit down.
Yeah, we're good.
Just not straight though, but
This shit is not level at all. So we're trying to figure out something that's workable, you know?
both sides. Both sides. Put that one top on the other.
On top of the line.
Yeah. Holy
Oh yeah, I gotta close it out.
Close it. Put it up. And
Yeah.
put back the passenger seat.
Yeah, that's true.
Done.
Yeah, I'm
Get
gonna
it?
do that. I'm gonna do that in a minute.
Oh, it's up. That's it,
I see you, man. I see you, man. I see you.
Move this whole box over.
Like that. We just have to bring this up, yes, sir. Them must space properly, though. Them must space properly at all. Look at that space.
If we could try to get the spaces to be a little bit even. Okay, so we're here trying to figure out how to work these boxes because we're trying to set it up different than normal. And because the mid base them is kind of not the same size as the base boxes, it's a mathematical thing trying to figure out how to space them properly so they can fit. With a little linear style going on. Hey. Okay, that's the machine. Halfway setting up. There's a stack right there. We're gonna have 2 stacks just like that. True fire machine right here. Clean up the machine, yellow.
That kill up the killer.
The killer.
That kill up the killer man, yo.
As long as the killer don't get killed.
The killer now get killed to them, man. That killer.
Are you alone that talk about the killer thing, innit? Are you alone in a murder thing? Me just come play my sound. Okay, so we're still setting up. That shocking sound over there. True vibe. Hot Steppa pulling up. Shocking setting up.
Come forward, hold on, let me go. No, wait up, go.
Nah, man. I have one more wire for run for base. You have to jump them back there now. Yeah, but everything turn on. That's what it's looking like. Almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and we're still setting up. So that's sequence song, 2 columns right there, True Vibe, Shocking Studio up there, and Hot Steppa setting up there.
Mic check. 1, 2. Check 1. Microphone check. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah, man. Gotta keep bad sequence. See it? Yeah. Mic check. 1, 2. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Audio trick 1, 2. Almost a Dennis Emmanuel Brown. Also big up all of the sound man we just touch the ground. Hot Steppa in the building. Shocking vibes in the building. Yeah. Derek G in the building. Yeah, love vibes in the building and a sequence to touch the ground now. Scooby-Doo-Doo!
microphone again. I'm not black or white, I am an Asian. Not the lyrics from my mouth, you know they got them. Take out the people, come listen, 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 listen. I am an Asian from an Eastern land, making music for every nation. Whether you are black, white, Chinese, Indian, I want the rhythm to conquer everyone. This one dedicated to all the love and the and across the border. The best, yes, we sharp like a tweeter. Asian talkers in a region culture.
Steppa song. studio. Talking studio.
Check, check, 1, 2. Check 1, 1, 1, 2. All sound representative, line up against your sound right now.
I got it. Come in the picture.
All right, father sequence. All right, easy shocking. Guess I want to say welcome all the mothers to our annual Mother's Day treat inside of the park. I say big up all the city officials. Right now, we're gonna do another 3 songs sound check. So at this time, I'm gonna call the promoter, Magnet Force 24 audio. Step forward. Magnet Force. Magnet Force. Come forward, please. We're gonna go over the rules, and then we're gonna do 3 songs sound check, which goes down to Hot Steppa. Hot Steppa gonna goes into his 3 songs and goes into his half hour. By then, every man should be able to sort them thing out properly. Tune as you go. I want to pick up all the mothers who take the busy trip over here, you know, to come support this thing. We love you all. Right now, I need all sound selectors. All sound selectors, please. Please, please, all sound selectors. Are sound owners then. Representative. Hot Steppa, come cross. True Vibes, come cross. Sequence, family, come cross. Who representing Shocking? Come cross. Yeah man, I still I sit man, I sit there man. Alright. Could you just beg that song man, then beg him 2 minutes please. Just beg him 2 minutes. Yo, Derek G, beg you 2 minutes, Derek G. Beg you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Beg you 2 minutes. Alright. We want to welcome each and everyone to another event. Inside the house tonight or this evening, we have 4 of South Florida's finest sound system. We have the sequence sound, the original dance sound. We have the True Vibes sound, which is the rum sound. And we have the Shocking sound, which is the glass sound. And we have Hot Steppa sound, which is the transmission sound. So them there and them represent the thing and we love that. You hear me I say? And also to take some acknowledgement, we have the promoter of the event, Mr. Magnum Force, and he's gonna go over some rules, and then we can abide or we can agree, but we have one thing for sure, we're going to disagree to agree, okay? Because we know what it's all about. So could you please speak the rules, sir?
All right, first, let me say to each and everyone that's here, all right? I appreciate you guys coming out, and the people that travel distance to be here, and let me say a special welcome to you and yours, all right? I know that the sound thing is a love thing, it's not a money thing, all right? So, first is first, we're not playing no dub play today, all right? Lovers rock, soca, disco, just treat the ladies there, you understand? It's the ladies' day. And ladies, let me tell you something. I'm going to give you a pardon today. You can do anything you want to do today. I pardon you. Claim you no day, a few no day. Alright? Remember that. So, with further ado, Mr. Alex, you are the leader, bigger boss coming later. And please guys, just, cooperate with Mr. Alex. Alright? Look.
Also, we have 3 tents right there, which is the sponsor's tent. And how about the liquors and the tent? The ladies drink free? Ladies drink free all days. And if the man wear a wig and skirt, him drink too. Alright? So ladies, that tent right there, that's it, 24. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to go there and get something to drink, alright? So each song's gonna be playing for 30 minutes. And you hear what I said? Each sound. So if the sound owner have a selector playing on his sound, that means his sound is playing. Okay? So if a selector is going to want to play on a sound, make sure you tell me, Alexis, the man here going to play for my sound or the man here going to play for my sound. I don't want a man plug in for the man's sound and get disrespect by telling say, other man there for play. See, we're not going to crowd the thing, we're just going to deal with the thing right. So each song's going to get 3 songs for the final sound check. Then Hot Steppa is going to play first. His 3 minutes going to roll into his half hour. So he's going to be playing half hour and 3 songs. You know down the line, little man? Come on, we're going to the line, man. So anyway, sequence. Play your 3 test song, please. No more than 3. Yeah. All right, sequence. Right now we introduce for 3 songs. Final test moment. Love vibe sound. Ready. True vibes. Not what vibes like a vineyard. Yeah. True vibes.
Well, it's me again, the face you forever gon' see again. Never been scared of none of them, no problem. Hey, 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 come again, set it off. You can't hold back when we let it off. Well, it's me again, the face you forever gon' see again. Never been scared of none of them, no problem. Hey, 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 come again, set it off. You can't hold back when we let it off. When we put it on, let them take it off. Hey, hey, ooh, nah, nah. So, one of them come, wouldn't live it out. Two of them come, didn't make it out. Three of them come sell it out.
Give me what is mine, mine. Give me what is mine. It's about time. Alright. Give me a slice of the cake. Yes, the time of help to bake. That's all I want. Just a give me what is mine, mine. Give me what is mine. It's about time.
Steppa, váyase.
Give me your sense of the
Váyase, you're good.
That was True Vibes. Shocking sound. 3 songs, please. recording studio. So right now we have Hot Steppa. Gonna play 3 songs plus half hour starting right now. Hot Steppa.
Let's us. Hot Steppa. Love vibe.
We're made for each other. What I'm saying. Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na na. My love belongs to you, girl. Don't you? We're made for each other. What I'm saying to you is true. I couldn't give my love to no one, girl. No, when the rain is falling.
This is what happens when you lay in the bed at night and think about the one you love. And see the night when I gaze upon the stars, wishing that I could hold you tightly in my arms. I long for your touch and your warm embrace. To look into your eyes and see that smile upon your face. As when the days and the clouds cover the sun, knowing that we will no longer be heading far.
Just can't go round it. Just reach work and my eyes are on the clock. Boom shit. I gotta leave you 5 on the dot. Have to meet my baby at our favorite spot where we sit and have a little chat. And when that is over, I'm gonna take her to my favorite pub where we can rock away to some good berries, hammond and some sweet rubber dub. Yes, can't go wrong. It's a loving tonight. Can't go. What I sting ray from the girl that would never ever stray. Bada bang bang bang, hey. Bada bang bang bang, boom shit. Can't go round it, I love him tonight. Can't go round it, just can't go round it. Can't escape this, I love him tonight. Can't go round it, just can't go round it. Just reach work and my eyes are on the clock.
Time. All right. Your official half hour starts now.
Wanna see you Oh, so long, yeah. We've been down in captivity. We've been music so sweet for your dancing feet. Yeah, there is a sound that's going around. Surely come to lift you on the ground. So you've got to tune into the sound. Make me smile and roll on the ground. Follow, follow, follow this your sound. Music so sweet for your dancing feet. Yeah, there is a sound that's going around. Surely come to lift you on the ground. So you got to tune into the sound. Make me smile and roll on the ground. Follow, follow, follow this your sound. This is the sound that is going around. Follow, follow, follow this your sound. Make me smile and roll on the ground with music. Having a good time, laying in the sunshine, feeling the fall. Having a good time, laying in the sunshine, feeling the fall. Children are playing, things going on. Don't keep on walking. Afternoon in the park. I'm a singer, singer man. Singer man. I'm a singer, singer man. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carry me. Thank you. I'm a singer, singer man. Singer man. I'm a singer, singer man. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carry me. Thank you, mama, 'cause you never told me. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carry me. Thank you, mama, 'cause you never told me. Oh, baby, my mama, especially
Yeah.
mother, I'm a father.
All them song are Jessica. A original mama song them song. And we have some big up all the ladies. Tracy, Senate, and Barry. Original drum. A big song. Happy Mother's Day to all of the ladies, all the mothers. Respect. Up there, up there, up there.
Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carry me. Thank you, mama, 'cause you never told me. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carry me. Thank you, mama, 'cause you never told me. Oh, baby, my mama, especially
me on you. And it makes me on you.
What's the name of the sound? 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 Singing in the Lord tonight. Playing in the Lord tonight.
Go tell them anybody violate me sound I go dead. Never place like Steppa read up here with busting on them head. How about that then a Freddie McGregor? When them hear we name the little son why start to shiver. Because we a go send them to Mount Zion. Never strap up and never left the iron. That's why we send them to Mount Zion. Never in and carry, never in a mayan. But me
I really love you. I really need you. And you take my heart aching for you. And you take. I really love you. I really need you. For your love, for your love, if you tell, my heart is aching for your love, for your. Oh yeah, my condensed belt selection.
Sound boy, toiling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.